Guys, make sure to stay until the end. One common mistake, if you make that mistake, guys, we'll talk about what it is. It can actually cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series Generation F10 F11. If you guys have one of those, it's from the years 2010 to year 2017. If you need to find where the fuse for the trailer control module unit is located, which fuses control the trailer control module, where you can buy cheap parts too, fuses relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, and why guys it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, well that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do almost anything. Transmissions, engines, bodywork, codes, fuses. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Now guys, we took pictures of every fuse box in that BMW, okay? Every fuse box, so we can clearly guys show you where everything is located, so you can clearly see the fuses, because otherwise they're hidden in places where practically we cannot get the camera. So we're going to show you one by one, okay? We have video about every single fuse, every single relay. So let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to guys, okay, find where the fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, watch our video. It will take you probably guys less than 2 minutes, replace that fuse and you're back on the road. Otherwise you'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere guys. We make those videos for your convenience. Now we'll make video for every single fuse and every single relay guys, and we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channel. Check it out, they can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, the fuse for the trailer control module, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on this generation BMW 5 Series. We will guys recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW F10 F11, because you have many hidden fuse boxes. Go ahead and open guys, okay, the passenger door. Once you open the passenger door, on the inside, open the glove box. Deep inside on the very back, on the right side, you have one cover. Remove it and you will get to the interior fuse box that has a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below, how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, if you want to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a really good price, quick shipping as well guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below guys. Make sure you get some for peace of mind, and you can put some spare ones in the glove box. For the trailer control module, we need to check one fuse here, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check a few more. Let's zoom in, we'll come towards the top end of the fuse box right here. And now we need to work in that row of fuses. Here we're going to start checking that fuse number 16, 17, 18, 19. Fuse number 19 will need to be checked right there. After that, you need to open the trunk. Once you open the trunk, on the right side you have that cover that you just pull here, and underneath it is the main trunk fuse box. Here guys, what you need to check, a few more fuses. First, you need to check, okay, fuse number 100. 100 is that very top fuse right here that you see. Okay, that's the first one that you will need to check. Then you need to check fuse number 145. So 145 will be in that row here. And if you have that fuse, that will be 142, 3, 4, 5. 145 will be right here if you have the trailer control module option, guys. Okay, now, well, excuse me, that will be actually, we have an empty spot. 142, 3, 4, 5, it will be that 20 amp fuse right here, because the next one, the last one, is 46. So that's 145. And then we need to check fuse number 148. If you come in that row here, that's fuse number 147, 148 right here. That's the one that you guys need to check for the travel control module. So you guys have all kinds of different fuses, relays, okay, in that car. So what we recommend, guys, okay, buy some spare fuses, relays, put them in a glove box for a peace of mind. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get one, okay, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere. So always keep some spare fuses and relays in your glove box, guys. That way you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.